In this video, we're going to cover the advertising rules on additional charges that might impact the price a customer pays for a product or service. It's really annoying for your customer when they expect to pay one price for a product, and then when they check out, they find there are additional charges that they weren't expecting. This results in your customer feeling misled. Now, the advertising rules are clear. Prices in your ads, including on your website or social media, must not mislead by omission, undue emphasis, or distortion. The prices quoted in your ads and on your website must include all non-optional taxes, charges, or fees. In other words, wherever possible, the price quoted up front should be the price the customer pays when they check out. If you can figure out what the charge, tax, or fee is going to be in advance, you need to include it in the price. Now, there are some instances where it isn't possible to figure these out in advance. For example, where a delivery fee depends on the value of a total order or where the customer lives. In those instances, it is okay not to include these extra charges in the price, but you still need to make it really clear to your customer that they do apply and how they'll be calculated. In this next section, we're going to go through some specific examples of non-optional charges. VAT. Put simply, you must include VAT in your prices, unless you know everyone the price claim is addressed to is VAT exempt or can recover it, and this includes on your own website. If you're selling exclusively to an audience that is VAT exempt or can reclaim VAT, you should still make clear the price excludes VAT and who the price applies to, and you will still need to include a prominent statement of the amount or rate of VAT payable. Postage and delivery fees. If you know what the postage or delivery fee is going to be in advance and it applies per product, it must be included in the price. If these can't be calculated in advance, or they apply per order, you don't need to include it in the price, but you do need to make it really clear and upfront that these charges will apply and how they will be calculated. That means including them on the product page and not at the final stage of a purchase. Booking and transaction fees. If a fee is applicable to each individual item, the price should include the cost of that fee. So if a ticket is being advertised at £30 and there's a £2.50 booking fee for each ticket, the price should actually be presented as £32.50. Stating the costs separately is unlikely to be sufficient. Now, fees that are applied per transaction rather than per item won't need to be included in the cost of the product itself. However, any prices should make immediately and prominently clear that the fee will apply and how much it is. So that's a good overview of how to make sure that the price is right in your ads when it comes to non-optional fees, charges, and taxes. As always, there are handy links to additional resources in the comments box below. But for now, that's the end. Thank you for making it through all 5 videos of Cat Bite Size Series 2. We hope you enjoyed yourself, we hope you learned something, and we'll see you again in the future.